Hello everyone, welcome to Akash Science, and today I'm back again with yet another new video. So today I will be discussing regarding a very powerful, very auspicious and very fortunate astrological yoga, and yet the yoga is very rare to found. Okay, means you will be finding this yoga in the horoscopes of very successful personalities, and those personalities are very rare in this earth, and I mean it. Means you will be finding personalities who are successful, who are celebrities, but still they don't have this yoga. And the persons who are born in this yoga, they will be successful and they will be remembered for years to come. Means when people take their name, even if the people don't like the person, still they cannot ignore him or her. That is the power of this yoga. Means the person will be born with utmost fortune and luck, and which can actually take them to success in every path of their life. Yes, today I will be discussing regarding Mahabhagya Yoga. By the name of this Mahabhagya Yoga, it means great fortune, highly fortunate, very lucky. Means whatever task they do, they will get successful. Now see, whenever we see such type of yoga in someone's chart, it means there was some divine blessing during the birth of the child. Because you really don't know when the child is going to take the birth. And the time when the child is taking the birth, if at that moment the planetary combinations are of such type that the Mahabhagya Yoga is present in the horoscope of the child, it means there has to be some good karma, good past life karma, and some divine interventions and blessings in the life of that native. Now, with the help of this Mahabhagya Yoga, how the native uses it in his or her life, that's a completely different thing. But the important part is, he or she will be successful in whatever task he or she undertakes. It is said, it is given in the scriptures that a person born under this yoga will be successful, will be fortunate, will be prosperous, will have good wife, good children, and everything which is actually required to have a good, successful, stable life. But since it is very rare, so there are rules for the formation of this yoga, and the rules are also specific for male horoscope and female horoscope. Both are completely different. Now suppose someone is having the combination of Mahabhagya Yoga of female horoscope and the person is male, then it will not work. The condition for the formation of Mahabhagya Yoga should be specific to the male and female horoscope. Both are completely different. And so today I will be discussing regarding how the Mahabhagya Yoga is actually formed. So for the male horoscope, the rule is that the birth of the native should be between sunrise and sunset. Means after the sunrise and before the sunset. For the male horoscope, this is the first condition. Second condition, the ascendant. Ascendant means Lagna, the first house. The first house, the sun sign and the moon sign, these three together should be odd in nature. Means they three should have odd signs. Now what are the odd signs? In the horoscope you will see, if the first house is written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then it is an odd sign. Okay, odd ascendant, odd sign of ascendant. Check the position of sun and moon. Suppose a house where sun is sitting, if it is written 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, then it is odd sign. For the moon also same, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The ascendant, the sun and the moon, if all these three are occupied in the odd signs. Now what are the odd signs? Aries, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius and Aquarius. These signs, if they have the sun, moon and the ascendant, and at the same time the native is born between the sunrise and the sunset, means after the sunrise and before the sunset, then the male person, the native, will be having the Mahabhagya Yoga. This is the complete set of condition. Okay. Now for the female horoscope, let us understand that what are the conditions for having the Mahabhagya Yoga. The rule is the native should be born after the sunset and before the sunrise. That is the time. Okay, this is the first condition. Second condition is that the ascendant, sun sign and moon sign should be occupied in the even signs. That means ascendant means Lagna, the first house. The first house should have the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the even numbers. Okay, the even signs. Similarly, moon and sun should also be in the even signs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So what are the signs? Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn and Pisces. These are the signs. If any girl is having their sun, moon and the ascendant in the even signs and having the birth after the sunset and before the sunrise, then you can say that particular girl, that native, has the Mahabhagya Yoga. So this is the condition. This is the complete set of condition. For the boys, it is completely different. For the girls, it is completely different. If someone is having all the conditions fulfilled, then you can say the person is having the Mahabhagya Yoga. And that is the reason it is a very rare combination of planets. Very rare yoga, yet very powerful. Since it is rare, that is the reason it is powerful. You will see that there are many yogas which are actually present in the horoscope of many natives. They are getting the result. Maybe someone will say that I am having such and such yoga, but I am not getting the result. Okay, because those yogas can be obtained in the life of the native very easily, but this yoga is very rare. I'm talking about, and that is the reason I will be saying you the examples of few successful personalities who are having this yoga, and yet they are so successful. Okay, due to the power of this yoga, due to the influence of this yoga, those persons have become so successful, and yet still today we are talking about them. If we talk about such person, then you will see that if we remember the horoscope of former Prime Minister of India Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi and Morarji Desai, these three eminent personalities, they had Mahabhagya Yoga in their horoscope, and they were the prime ministers of the country India, of our nation. They were very powerful and they fought it their way and got up to that higher level. Even today, when we talk about them, when we listen about their stories, we may like it, we may not like it, but still their power, their authority was unchallengeable. Still we cannot ignore them. When you read this history during their reign, you will say that those people were unchallengeable. That is the power of Mahabhagya Yoga. Take the example of the Nightingale of India, Lata Mangeshkar. Now Lata Mangeshkar needs no introduction. Everyone of this world knows her talents, what she is. Okay, what is her talent actually is? She has Mahabhagya Yoga. Would you believe it? Now you see, when we talk about Lata Mangeshkar, automatically the respect comes in our eyes, in our face. When we talk about her, when we listen to her songs, when we go through our journey in her life, you will see that each and every time he undertook any path of her life, she got success. That is the power of Mahabhagya Yoga, means the great fortune. Now, how you use that great fortune, that divine blessing in your path of your life, that's a very important thing. So, now I will be showing you the sample horoscopes, and I will discuss that how this yoga is actually formed in the horoscope. So, come let us check. In this example horoscope, we can see that the time of birth of the boy is 11:20 am. The horoscope is of Libra ascendant, moon is in Libra, sun is in Sagittarius, as you can see, and Libra and Sagittarius both are odd signs. So all the conditions are satisfied for the boy's horoscope. So you can say that in this horoscope Mahabhagya Yoga is present. Come, let us see another example. In this example chart, the time of birth of the girl is 9:34 p.m. at night. Okay. And the horoscope is of Scorpio ascendant. Sun is in Virgo, moon is in Cancer. Now Scorpio, Virgo and Cancer, they are even signs. The birth is of night, means after sunset and before sunrise. So for this girl, in her horoscope Mahabhagya Yoga is present. Okay, come, let us see another example. This horoscope is of Sagittarius ascendant, and the boy's time of birth is 8:55 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and as we can see that Sun is in Aries, Moon is in Gemini. Now Sagittarius, Aries and Gemini, all these three signs are odd signs. So the placement of Sun, Moon and the ascendant all are in odd signs, and the time of birth is after sunrise and before sunset. So here also the Mahabhagya Yoga is present in the horoscope of this boy. Come, let us check another example. For this girl, the time of birth is 10:15 p.m. in the night, which is after sunset and before sunrise. The horoscope has Capricorn ascendant, Moon in Pisces, Sun in Virgo. Now Capricorn, Pisces and Virgo, they are even signs. So you can say that for this horoscope Mahabhagya Yoga is present. Now I will be showing you the horoscopes of some eminent personalities who has this Mahabhagya Yoga. Come, let us see. This horoscope is of 28th September 1929. Time of birth is 10:44 p.m. at night, indoor. Okay. Here you can see the ascendant is Taurus, moon sign is Cancer, sun sign is Virgo. This horoscope belongs to Lata Mangeshkar, the Nightingale of India. She has Mahabhagya Yoga in her horoscope, as you can see. Okay. Now let us see another chart. This chart is of 19th November 1917, 11:11 p.m. Prayagraj, Allahabad. As you can see that the horoscope has Cancer ascendant, Sun is in Scorpio, Moon is in Capricorn. Now Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, all are even signs. Okay, so here Mahabhagya Yoga is present, and this horoscope belongs to former Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Let us check another one. This horoscope belongs to 20th August 1944, 8:11 a.m. What time? Mumbai. Now in this horoscope we can see that the time of birth is of morning, after the sunrise and before sunset. Ascendant is Leo, sun sign is Leo, moon sign is Leo, means sun, moon, ascendant all are Leo. Okay, all belongs to this odd sign Leo, and this horoscope belongs to former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. So here also Mahabhagya Yoga is present. Okay, let us see another one. This horoscope belongs to 29th February 1896, 12:58 p.m. Vadeli, Valsad, Gujarat. This horoscope is of Gemini ascendant, moon is in Leo, sun is in Aquarius. Now you see Gemini, Leo, Aquarius, they all are odd signs. Okay, and the birth is after the sunrise and before sunset. This horoscope belongs to former Indian Prime Minister Morarji Desai. Here also Mahabhagya Yoga is present. So with the help of these example horoscopes and with the help of the horoscopes of these eminent personalities, we can easily understand that how Mahabhagya Yoga is present and how when it works it can give you name, fame, achievement, prosperity and all success in your path of your life. Okay, so as you have seen that how this yoga is formed in the horoscopes and through the example horoscopes you have understood. So now I will ask all of you, all the viewers, please go through your chart and check whether you are having this yoga or not, and please write it down in the comments whether you are having this yoga or not. I will be very happy to listen from you. Secondly, if you are new to this channel, then please mind to tap onto the subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon so that every time I make a new video on Vedic astrology, you get notified instantly. And if you like this video, then tap the like button, share it among your near and dear ones. And another thing, I have a playlist on yogas in Jyotish, means astrological yogas. Please check it out so that you can understand and know about various astrological yogas, and I will also be adding many more astrological yogas in near future. So it will be my pleasure to know from all of you if you are having this yoga and how that yoga actually helped you in your path of your life. Please write it down, because this yoga is very powerful. If you are having this yoga and you are getting the success, please write it down. It will be a very pleasure from me to understand and know from you. Okay, thanking you. This is from my side and I'm signing off for today. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.